Day 29. Rejoice in the Lord always. Do you know something? Your circumstances don't have to decide your joy today. Philippians 4 verse 4 says, Rejoice in the Lord always. And I say, rejoice. Notice that Paul doesn't say rejoice when everything is going well. He says, rejoice in the Lord always. Maybe you're facing pressure today. Maybe you're tired. Maybe things haven't worked out the way you hoped. But your joy doesn't have to come from your circumstances, but your joys come from the Lord. So today choose joy. Smile. Thank God for what you have. Encourage somebody. And wherever you go today, carry the joy of the Lord within you. Because Scripture tells us, the joy of the Lord is in our strength. So rejoice today. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. God bless you.